I am glad to welcome you to the GB Cars Problems channel. Today, we are diving into the BMW X3 from the F25 generation, produced between 2010 and 2017. This compact luxury crossover has been a popular choice for UK drivers seeking a blend of performance, comfort and versatility on British roads. With its sleek design and agile handling, it offers an enjoyable drive, whether you are navigating city streets in London or cruising along the M1 motorway. One of the standout features of the BMW X3 F25 is its range of efficient engines, including petrol and diesel options that deliver strong performance with reasonable fuel economy. For instance, the 2.0-litre diesel variant can achieve around 12 km per litre in mixed driving conditions, making it economical for long commutes. However, like any vehicle, it has its share of weaknesses that potential buyers should be aware of to avoid costly surprises. Let us start with the most common and frequently encountered problems, as promised. The timing chain guides are a notorious weak spot, particularly in the N47 diesel engines found in many UK models. These plastic guides can wear out prematurely, leading to rattling noises and potential engine failure if not addressed early. On the positive side, when the timing chain is properly maintained, the engine runs smoothly and provides impressive torque for overtaking on A roads. But ignoring the issue can result in repair bills exceeding £2,000 at a specialist garage. Regular oil changes every 10,000 kilometers can help mitigate this, but it is a design flaw that has frustrated many owners. Another major weakness is the transfer box in xDrive all-wheel drive versions, which are common in the UK due to our variable weather. The transfer box can develop faults like chain stretch or actuator failures, causing vibrations or loss of drive to the rear wheels. This problem often surfaces after about 100,000 kilometers, especially if the vehicle has been used for towing or off-road adventures. That said, the xDrive system itself is a boon for stability on slippery British roads during winter, offering superior grip compared to rear-wheel drive alternatives. Repairs for the transfer box can cost between £1,500 and £3,000 depending on the severity. Proactive servicing, including fluid changes every 50,000 kilometers, can extend its life and keep you safer on icy surfaces. Moving on to our third top weakness. Oil leaks from the valve cover gasket and oil filter housing. These leaks are prevalent in both petrol and diesel models, often leading to oil spots under the car and a burning smell if it drips onto hot exhaust parts. In the UK, where MOT tests are strict, this can cause failures if not fixed promptly. Positively, the BMW X3 F25 boasts a spacious interior with high-quality materials, making it comfortable for family trips across the countryside. Addressing oil leaks typically costs around £500, but catching them early prevents more serious engine damage. Owners appreciate the car's reliability in other areas, like its robust braking system. The fourth common issue involves the turbocharger in diesel engines, which can fail due to carbon buildup or oil starvation. Symptoms include loss of power and excessive smoke from the exhaust, which is particularly noticeable on uphill stretches like those in the Lake District. This weakness has led to recalls in some cases, so check your vehicle's history. However, the turbo setup provides exhilarating acceleration, with 0 to 100 km per hour in under 9 seconds for many variants. Replacement turbos can set you back about £1,000, but with proper maintenance they hold up well. The car's overall build quality shines through in its precise steering, enhancing the driving experience. Our fifth top weakness is the electronic parking brake, which can seize or malfunction due to faulty actuators or wiring issues. This is especially problematic in the UK's damp climate, where corrosion accelerates the problem, leading to warning lights and potential safety concerns. Many owners report this after 60,000 kilometers of use. On the brighter side, the BMW X3 F25 offers advanced features like optional adaptive headlights and a user-friendly iDrive system which were ahead of their time. Fixing the parking brake usually costs £400 to £600 at a BMW dealer. Despite this, the car's premium feel and resale value remains strong in the UK market. Beyond these top 5, some owners mention suspension wear, particularly the rear springs and shock absorbers, which can lead to a bumpy ride on pothole-ridden British roads. The multi-link setup provides excellent handling, but replacements might cost £800 for a full set. It is worth noting that petrol models tend to have fewer engine-related issues compared to diesels. Fuel consumption is another mixed bag. While efficient on motorways, city driving can drop to 8 km per litre, which adds up with rising UK petrol prices. The optional 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, enhancing the luxury appeal. Overall, the X3 F25 holds its value well, with used examples starting from £8,000 for higher mileage models. Interior electronics, like the infotainment screen, can glitch occasionally, but BMW's warranty extensions often cover these. The boot space of 550 litres is generous for shopping runs or weekend getaways. Safety features, including multiple airbags and stability control, earn it high Euro NCAP ratings. In terms of running costs, expect to pay around £150 annually for road tax on most variants, depending on emissions. Insurance groups range from 25 to 35, making it affordable for experienced drivers. The panoramic sunroof option adds a touch of luxury, though it can sometimes rattle over time. Now, let us talk about who this car would suit. The BMW X3 F25 is ideal for professionals or families who value a premium driving experience and need all-wheel drive for UK winters, but are prepared for higher maintenance costs. It fits those with a budget for specialist servicing and who prefer a sporty crossover over a mundane SUV. And if you own this automotive masterpiece, please describe the problems you encountered while driving it. Perhaps your review will help viewers when choosing a car. That's all I have for now. Thank you all very much for your attention. I'd be very grateful if you subscribe to the channel. See you soon.